Hello everyone, I am Dr. M.S. Maithili, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Application, Bishop Eber College, Trichy. Welcome to today's presentation on the techniques of data mining. Before going to the concepts of data mining, let us discuss why data mining is needed. There is a huge growth of data in information industry. The data is of no use until it is converted into useful information. It is necessary to analyze this huge amount of data and extract the useful information from it. We are drowning in data but starving for the knowledge. Manual inspection is either tedious or just impossible. The only solution is the data mining. And what is data mining? The data mining is also known as knowledge discovery in databases. It refers to the non-trivial extraction of implicit, previously unknown and potentially useful information from the data stored in the databases. The alternative names are knowledge discovery in databases, knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data archaeology, data dredging, information harvesting, and business intelligence, etc. Then the data mining is a core of the knowledge discovery process. The term knowledge discovery in databases or KDD refers to the broad process of finding the knowledge in data and emphasize the high-level application of particular data mining methods. The main goal of the KDD process is to extract the knowledge from the data in the context of the large databases. The steps involved in data mining, when viewed as a process of knowledge discovery, are data cleaning, data integration, data selection, data mining, and the pattern evaluation and the knowledge presentation. The data cleaning is to remove the noise and the inconsistent data. The data integration steps to combine all the multiple data sources. Then data selection, the data which is relevant to the analysis task or retrieved from the database. Then data transformation, that is data is transformed or consolidated into forms appropriate for the mining by performing the summary or the aggregate operations. Then the data mining, intelligent methods are applied in order to extract the data patterns. Then the knowledge presentation, knowledge is presented and it is visualized to the user. So these are all the steps in the process of the knowledge discovery. So the data mining, the confluence of the multiple disciplines. It involves an integration of techniques from the data mining such as database technology, statistics, machine learning, pattern recognition, algorithms, visualization and other disciplines. The data mining techniques are broadly classified into classification, regression, association rules and clustering. This classification and regression is fully based on the supervised learning model. The association rules and the clustering is fully based on the unsupervised learning. In a supervised learning model, the algorithms learns on a labeled data set, providing an answer key that an algorithm can use to evaluate its accuracy. An unsupervised model, in contrast, provides the unlabeled data that the algorithm tries to make sense of by extracting the features and the pattern on its own. Thank you very much.